like 3 for banking and 3 for money. So either you will be getting a direct question for money creation, which is very simple, right? Or you will be getting a theory question like the functions of prime, like why, like what are the components of money supply, like this they can ask, or they can ask you these type of question. You can see that this, what is the, explain the significance of medium of exchange function of money, like this. So there are only two probability. That's why this chapter is very easy and very scoring, because these are the only two things where like you cannot round, like you cannot manipulate the question over here. They have to be somewhere not that much simple, but yeah, you can understand it what they are asking, right? So that's why I just don't want you to lose the command over money creation. That's very important. So I'll give you one question today, so you'll be doing it, and then you, Ritika has my number, but Vanisha, you don't have my number. You'll just share the, you'll click the photograph and you'll share it with me. Okay. And students, are you getting the assignments
Okay.
on a portal?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Both of you, right? So you just need to complete
Yes, ma'am.
that and you can just share it with the counselor. So once I get it, so I can check it, and in case if I need to share any review with you, in case you did anything wrong, I can just give you the review in the class. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
yes. Okay. So you can start reading from here. This, for this particular question, as I told you, there are M1, M2, M3, M4, so many things, right? But over here, they have from the CBSE, like whatever, they have just deleted it according to latest syllabus. They have deleted M2, M3, M4. You don't need to learn that. You just need to learn only M1. Okay, so just read about M1. The rest of the things you can ignore. Okay, and let me know once you are done. I'll scroll it down. Done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, let me know once you are done, okay?
I'm done.
Ritika, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, what is CC economy?
This is
Yes.
CC is basic commodity to commodity.
Okay, ma'am.
Get it? Like earlier there was something like if you are selling the apples, I'll give you the coconuts, right? So commodity in place of commodity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now these are the functions of money. You can just give the reading so that it will be a revision for you. State 4 function of money. Explain any one of them. So it's your choice totally, right?
Ma'am, is common unit of account and measure of value the same?
Sorry.
Ma'am, the second point, common unit of account and measure of value the same.
Yeah, same. Unit means measure of value means that it has a unit, right? That okay, for this particular mobile phone, you need to pay this unit, right? 10 units, 30 units, like this. So measure of value and unit is basically the same thing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Both of you done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. this done?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now just give it a reading and then we will start with your national income. And no, before that I'll give you one question. So after that.
And
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm just giving you 2 minutes. Quickly revise the money creation. I'm just giving you one question. You will solve it and you will share it with me. Okay? Okay, guys?
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone who wants me to explain the money creation part again, or you got it?
we got it.
I'm good.
Oh, great. girls, once you are done revising, you will just let me know, then I'll give you the question.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is your question. Vanisha, I'm just sharing my number in the chat box. And in case I think Ritika have my number, but in case if you don't have, then you can just copy it from here. Okay. You just use the country code. I hope you can see the chat box.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So here is your question. You have to explain me the entire money creation part. Okay. So with the help of not with the help of example, I'm giving you. So your initial deposit, I'm just citing ID, is 2000. Okay. And your CRR, which is cash reserve ratio, is 20%. So you have to draw the entire table and everything. You'll solve it and you'll tell it to me. And plus you will write the process as well. Okay. You have to show the money creation. Clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could you show the question answer again?
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay.
From here, the CRR is the LRR.
Sorry. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, this is see LRR. In LRR, there are two components. One is CRR and one is your SLR, right? So CRR, LRR is basically made up of two, but when we keep at a reserve, right? So over here we only mentioned CRR. So I think when we were drawing the table, if you remember, I told you about LRR, but I just over here also mentioned CRR in bracket. If you remember the table, just check your, you can't check it right now, but just CRR is a part of LRR only. Okay, there are two type of reserve. One is SLR and one is CRR. Okay, so LRR is a bigger part and CRR and SLR are basically the two parts of LRR. So you can mention LRR, but it is not sufficient. Why? Because it's of two parts. And which one you are saving, CRR or SLR? So which central bank you save CRR, and the commercial bank, the money which they save with themselves, that is your SLR. Okay, so that's why I've mentioned CRR over here instead of LRR. Clear?
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, you can share it with me. Those who are done, you have to write the process as well in theory part. Have you done that as well?
Ma'am, like the one we
First,
wrote in
you have
notes
to show
part.
the numerical, the table, right? And
Yes,
then you
ma'am.
have to write the process in your language, like the theoretical part as well. Like we took
Oh,
this was my initial deposit, and the entire whatever you did in theory. Okay.
I didn't do that yet, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, done.
Okay, you can share it with me. You have my number. You can WhatsApp me. Stick the photo and share it with me, or make the PDF if you have done in 2 pages. Whatever you like, I'm okay with the pictures as well. I'm okay with the PDF. Whatever you feel like is okay with you, you can.
Ma'am, I have sent you. Please check whether you received it.
Yes, Vanisha, I got it.
Okay.
Vanisha, money creation. What is the formula? Initial deposit multiply by. Check your notes.
Money multiplier.
You wrote something else, and now check your paper. Though you have written the formula in the first one correctly, but over here the mistake is there, right? The formula you have written wrong.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've sent to.
Okay, let me check. Oh, got it. Okay. So now, girls, like we don't have much time. So what we are going to do, like of course, we are going to start with the national income. So I am just going to give you a description about the macroeconomics, like what macroeconomics is all about, like that. Okay. So let's just quickly start. Just the introduction part, like what macroeconomics look like, that only. So let's just. You can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start. So as the name is national income and the related aggregate. So before that, I just need to discuss the syllabus as well. So I think today I won't be able to discuss only syllabus. Let's see. Okay. So you be first let's today just discuss the syllabus what we are going to study in this. So basically over here we are going to divide this entire unit in 3 or 4 chapters. Okay. First one, where we are just going to study like what is macroeconomics, the basic of macroeconomics, like what are consumption goods, what are capital goods, what are final goods, intermediate goods, stock and flow, gross investment, and depreciation. These are basically the concept of macroeconomics. See, for example, if you want to study about the car, right, you should know that it has an engine, it has wheels, it has a window, and so many things, right? So similarly, if you are studying about macroeconomics, they have various concepts like consumption good, capital good. You should know like what are consumption good are, what capital goods are, right? So entire thing we are going to study. Then there will be next chapter, you can say, which where we'll be studying circular flow of income, right? In two sector model. Basically, earlier we had a four sector model where we used to study this, but now they have deleted that, and now you have to just study about two sector model. So in this, we will understand in two sector model, we will understand the methods of calculating national income. There are three methods. One is value added, product method, and the expenditure method. So basically, what I teach, like this part, which is the numerical part, I teach at last, right? At last means like once first I'll teach you this, then I'll teach you the concept, then I'll teach you circular flow, then I'll teach you this, and after this I'll teach you this, right? Why? Because over here in the formula itself, I have to tell you that GNP, GD at GDP at MP, GNP at MP. So you will like, ma'am, what is this? So first I need to clear the concept. When I teach you, when I'll be teaching you the sentence, first I need to tell you the alphabets. Now this is A and this is B, C, A, T will be cat, like this. So similarly, these are the related aggregates of national income like GNP, NNP and all that, and GDP and welfare. These are the things. And after that, we will be doing this, which is very, very important. You get a direct question for 6 marks, like you'll get a numerical, and over there they'll be asking you with the help of value added method, just find this, with the help of expenditure method, find this, with the help of income method, calculate the national income, like this. Okay, so today you are just going to write the unit national income and related aggregate and the syllabus. From tomorrow onwards we'll just start. Okay, tomorrow you will have the accountancy class same time 7:50. You will get the reminder as well. After that, whenever we will have the class, we'll continue it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so like I just wanted to ask you about the project thing. Can I?
Okay. Okay. So just quickly finish this and then I'll tell you the project part as well. And plus, like, if you people
Okay.
want, I have some project which are already been made. Like I've done a little bit research. Like one is which I prepared and one is which I have an entire material. So if you want to personally, like if you want to share, because right now we don't have not many people, I have only 2 students, I can share with you because over there it become difficult to provide each and every student the entire assignment. So I can share the ideas. If you want to take the ideas, you can go for it. And in case if you want to take the material which I have, you can use that as well. Like you can mix it with the current scenario. You can mix it because it is the, I think
Yes, ma'am.
one is the previous year and one is I think it's last 2 years, something like that. So you'll get an idea. I'll just show you the topics, the recent topics, as well as the project which I have, so we can discuss over there. Just remind me, just drop me a text before the class now, so that I can just make a PPT on that and I can show you in the class, or I'll just share it with you personally. Okay, and we can discuss the entire
Okay.
topics, and I will also do a little bit research, like the recent topics that you can make. That basically what I suggest to student is don't go for the like don't go for that topics which are basically you can say not related to your chapter. When I was in my like school days and all that, I used to prepare for this. So what I chose government budget, right? Government budget, every time it is being released, everyone knows that, and government budget is your entire chapter, right? So if you are preparing it for your assignment, that means you are also preparing a chapter. So from one preparation, you are preparing the 2 things, right? So choose the topic which is going to help you in your subject as well as in your practical. So that is going to be two-way. Because when you prepare a assignment, you have to go in deep. Like you have to write so many things, so much research, history, everything, right? So just choose a chapter which you feel like that if you will do a little bit research, that is going to help you in your practicals as well as in your theory exam. Okay, so I'll just share that like topics in the next class. Plus, I have some very good assignments which are being made, so you can take help from that as well. Okay, like I don't have my personal file because that was kept by my teacher because she wanted to show it to everyone. But I have some other references which I can show. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I need those help.
Yeah, just
Thank
drop
you.
me a text before the, like, for example, tomorrow we have a class, for example. So you can just drop me a text by today that, ma'am, tomorrow you need to just share the topic so that we can discuss it. And plus, I'll just share you, I have your number, so I can share you over there as well. Okay.
Okay.
This is for both Ritika and Vanisha.
Okay, ma'am.